I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Rifter in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, sliding side doors, has rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers. You've got cruise control with the speed limiter. This car also features a smartphone charging plate and has speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.